everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Happy New Year. I wanted to make a couple of videos. I have a new headphone with a speaker. Hopefully, this is what my husband gave me for Christmas, and it's got a speaker. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully, I've tested it and it's going to work, so it will get rid of that background noise. So let's hope it works. So that was one of my Christmas presents. But what we're here today is we are going to the new Anna Griffin Paisley scrapbook kit, and then I'm going to make another video with all my Anna Griffin hauls and what I've been up to and how I'm trying to save money for the last couple of months and forward. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the Paisley scrapbook kit. It is ring bound. It's ring bound. I'm not going to open it. And it has 10 sheets, but I always put more sheets in it. I unpackaged it because it gets squished if I don't. So I'm going to actually try to not have that have a bow in it, but it comes in a bow. So if you have this and it's still in your box, you may want to take it out so it doesn't have that bow in it. So that is so pretty. I have been making a lot of these albums. I have two granddaughters and they both get one, and so I have two of these, but I'm showing you one. And then let's look at all the stuff that comes with it. This is from Anna Griffin, and I buy it on HSN. I find, that HSN is a little bit cheaper than Anna Griffin, but I buy from both. Look at all the embellishments. Look how thick that is. I mean, it is heavy. Look at all the embellishments. And you know me, I always have two. So I will show one, put it together, an album, and then once it's together, I'll show a double page layout, and we'll do the whole album in 12 videos, one a day, about 20 minutes long. So I'll do it with this one. I've already got my second album lined up. I have it right here. And I've already got the pages geared up to go and ready. And we'll do that this week. So I'm back to crafting, which is nice. And you see Anna, but I so want to work with lace and glue guns, and I'll be doing that in the next couple of weeks. Look at all the gold embellishments. These are stickers, but I don't use them as stickers. I usually put pop dots on them. So here is the card notes. There's a pop dot right there. It came off of here. It comes with pop dots. The card writing messages has tape. It has the different colors of photo mats in different colors. It has our words that we want to use, and then it has borders that you could cut in half or use. But let's just go through the paper real fast since I'm not opening everything, and look at that. And then the video will be over. So yeah, so here it is. It is called Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit, and she gives us some ideas. So look at the embellishments on that, and look at the colors of the photo blanks. What are these? The photos. I just said it and I can't remember. Okay, when I make a video, everything goes blank. So isn't that beautiful? Look at those colors. Okay, so let's look. And if you hear anything in the background, my husband is working. So this is double-sided, so that's really nice. We get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of this, and then that's the back. And we get 4 sheets of the same color as the album. Isn't that beautiful? And that's the back. We get 4 of this, you could really cut these out. And then that's the back. Oh, I love the back. This is really bohemian, isn't it? And look at that. That's so pretty. Paisley and bohemian. This is the 4 sheets of this one. And this is a purpley color. And then this one. And then that's the purplish color with green. And then this one is the last one. And then that's the color. And it always comes with this to keep the paper flat. This is very nice chipboard. I save them and it becomes an album that I hand make. I don't know, here I have one sitting right beside me that I have made. It stays in a Ziploc bag with a dryer sheet, and it's lace and an album, and so this one's mine. I want to keep for myself. There's the dryer sheet. But yeah, so this is the chipboards that I save or I buy. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know there is tons of tutorials on my page for this. So, alright guys, I hope you liked my haul, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Happy New Year. All my links are down below. I have either bought this from annagriffin.com or hsn.com.